Alright, it's been raining off and on, but I guarantee you by tomorrow this will be a fully enclosed shed. Guaranteed. Alright guys, I know I just said that this was going to be a fully enclosed building by this weekend, but you know what Mother Nature said?
Nope.
Yeah, exactly. I got this bag in the camera because I'm trying to keep my phone from getting wet as I record this, but I don't know if you can see it or not. It is pouring down. Yeah, so Mother Nature wins this one. Peace out. All right, just in case y'all thought it was a game, the rain poured down. Like I told you, this will be completely done by today. Yeah, we're playing no games today. We got a little sunshine. Got some photos back here from the hard rain yesterday. But I told you, by this weekend, this will be a fully enclosed shed. All right, so I stand corrected. I'm about to run out of daylight. No big deal, no problem, no sweat. I'll get her done. All right, almost home free, people. Almost home free. Under $500. Yeah, they're door closed like magic. Yeah, they're. And if you don't know what the WH is for, you're not supposed to. Haha, yeah, they're. Alright, so I just about got the barn finished. But again, the rain, man, this rain is killing me. So, we're pretty much done, but 10 by 10 barn, less than $500. Holds 3 of my toys, my cart lifts, transmission lift, a few other items. So once I go and stain the initials and everything here, pretty much done. Yeah, I'm out. And this door is so heavy, the lock actually dropped about ½ inch. So I'm gonna have to readjust that. But other than that, we're good. We got a bumblebee digging holes into my 2x6s. And here's the result. He's leaving crumbs all over the seat of my 4-wheeler. Wow.